It's recording, got that.
Oh, it's recording.
Recording, yes. It's recording.
It's got a red button on it.
I know it's got a red button.
It's got a red button. Oh, it's dumpy.
It's got a red button, yes.
Ah, what did you eat today?
What?
What did you eat today?
Fruit and shit.
Two.
Apple and banana.
Ah, no coconuts.
And coconuts, yes.
Yeah, and peanuts.
Yes, and peanut apple, yes.
Ah, peanut butter.
I peanut. Where's my peanut from?
You're gone for
peanut, not peanut. I have
peanut boogs. Bollocks.
No, but not bollocks.
Go see your mask. You're hiding the mask, monkey, man, the mask. You're hiding from behind the bloody hoodie. Who's he? Named Gupta. Yeah. Are your name is Gupta?
Gupta.
Yeah, Gupta Dambanjit.
Gupta.
Yes, very good.
Yeah, very good.
Was it next to you? Was he? Who's he?
Don't know.
We don't know. What's his name? Tell him his name.
What's your name? What is your name? He doesn't talk.
What don't he want to talk? Is he deaf? Yeah.
I'm stupid.
Oh, can you say some funny language?
No, he's not there.
Not there.
No.
Where's he gone?
Right home, but no one home.
Nobody went home.
No one home.
Oh no, that's very bad.
Yeah, very bad.
Yeah. So which home he went to?
No.
No.
Oh, I don't know.
Oh no.
I don't know.
Oh, Bobo.
Bobo.
Yeah, what's his name is Bobo?
I think his name is Bobo.
Oh, did he went to Funny Farm Circus? Montyponty. Oh, very good. Run away from the circus.
Yeah, run away from the circus.
All right. What did he see in the circus?
Underpants.
Underpants. Eh?
Underpants and nappies.
No, underpants. Dirty nappies.
Yes.
Oh, did he wear it or you wear it?
No, you wear it.
Oh, you wear it. Oh, right.
You wear it.
Oh, good girl.
Yes.
Oh, very good.
You wear plenty and dirty nappies.
Dirty stuff. Do you wear dirty stuff? No, not. Yeah. Oh. Stop eating that flour. Hungry? I thought you would eat some banana.
I want more food.
More food? What type of food?
How long is it going now?
Oh, I don't know. It's too much headache.
How many?
2:57.
Who?
2 minutes into 57.
3
minutes now.
Oh, 3 minutes.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Did you? Ah.
Yes.
What? Don't.
Your friend Tony, very guy.
Yeah, he's very guy.
Tony. He's a country boy.
Yeah, spastic idiot, Tony. He's a
fat
lumpy. Yeah, very good.
Tony is Mr. Clinton's best friend.
Yeah, he's 300 babies.
Send the button, Banker.
Bunker?
Yes.
Oh.
Send the button, Banker.